printing, right? And honestly, just like how to execute some of that stuff. Because I think and that's what this vlog also is. That you'll be able to see everything from the fundamentals of 3D printing to 3D.
So are you printing out? Are you selling prints or anything?